Good day each and everyone. I'm Mariel Ann, the project manager and the programmer of our group Capstrong. Our developed system is DOCR, Dogs and Cats Online Registration of Tagudin. Since the Municipal Agriculture Office is active for promoting the Municipal Ordinance Number 17 Series of 2018, otherwise known as Anti-Rabies Ordinance of the Municipality of Tagudin, and to achieve a free rabies Tagudin. We, the researchers, with the help of the municipal agriculturists, develop a system. Since the online registration is a trend nowadays, we develop a system using online registration for dogs and cats to save time for registering dogs and cats, as well as compiling the record of each pet owner and its pets.
I'm Jhared D, QA tester and documenter and technical writer. The general objective of the study is to develop dogs and cats online registration of Tagudin Municipal Agriculture Office. Specific objectives of the study. First one is to determine the current status of the registration system of dogs and cats in the municipality of Tagudin, Ilocos. Second one is to describe the problems encountered in the manual process in registering dogs and cats in the municipality of Tagudin, Ilocos. Third one is to identify the features that will be integrated into the proposed system to solve the manual process in registering dogs and cats in the municipality of Tagudin, Ilocos. The last one is to assess the level of acceptability to the proposed system.
Hi, I am Hargy Arieta, one of the programmer. Scope and limitation. Scope of study covers the registration of dogs and cats for all the barangays of the municipality of Tagudin, Ilocos. Will contain the personal information of the pet's owner, the description and physical characteristics of dogs and cats, vaccination records, and tagging will be assigned to the dogs and cats. Only allows 2 user level, the admin and the sub-admin. Limitation of the study. The study shall not cover the other animals because the municipality focuses on the registration of dogs and cats. Although microchipping is a trend, nowadays the proposed system will not cover microchipping because the municipality has no budget and the resident of the municipality of Tagudin cannot afford it.
I'm Mariel Ann Aguirre, the documenter. Conclusion. The researchers concluded that the developed system was helpful to the clientele. The Municipal Agriculture Office of Tagudin, Ilocos Sur needs an online registration system of dogs and cats to help the office improve and maintain the registration management of the said animals. Through the system, the barangay focal person will save time from traditional registration of dogs and cats, sending lists of vaccinated dogs and cats. The developed system has the following features that are accepted and functioning based on the needs of the Municipal Agriculture Office of Tagudin, Ilocos Sur. Agriculture Office of Tagudin, Ilocos Sur. The developed system for the Municipal Agriculture Office of Tagudin, Ilocos Sur is usable for easier and faster registering and monitoring of the dogs and cats record as well as the pet owner's record.
I am Edmund Gacute, one of the programmer and system analyst. Our recommendation. Based on the gathered information and the conclusions formulated, the researchers therefore recommend the following. The developed system for the Municipal Agriculture Office of Tagudin, Ilocos Sur should be implemented and utilized. The researchers should monitor the features of the system that is needed to be checked and updated to avoid errors or anomalies. The developed system should also expand the functionalities of the system by covering other animals. The developed system for the Municipal Agriculture Office of Tagudin, Ilocos Sur needs a web hosting for the system to maintain the online registration and for better use of the system.
Now, for our developed system, use any browser, but make sure you are connected to the internet. In my part, I will use Google Chrome. Click on the Google Chrome, type in Tagudin LGU Tagudin LGU systems.info/docr. Press enter. It will be directed to the home page of the system. After typing in Tagudin LGU system.info/docr, it will be directed you to the home page of our system. This is the DocR, Dogs and Cats Online Registration of Tagudin. This is the home page with navigation bars. We have the vaccines, announcements, gallery, officials, and contact. In the vaccines, it shows the short description about what is a vaccine with two charts, the pie chart and the line chart. The pie chart represents the registered dogs and cats, and the line chart represents the vaccinated pets by barangay. This is the announcement section, wherein the admin can post announcement so that the visitors will be updated and will be informed in the upcoming events or mass vaccination in the municipality of Tagudin. In the gallery section, from here, all the registered dogs and cats can be viewed. If you click one of the picture, it will zoom out. You can click next and next and next until you find your own pet. And the officials. Here in the officials are the people involved in the implementation of the Municipal Ordinance Number 17 Series of 2018, otherwise known as the Anti-Rabies Ordinance of the Municipality of Tagudin. The contact shows the information of the admin, and under the contact, where the visitors can send messages, queries, or complaints directly to the admin. If you want to continue or you want to log in as an admin or a sub-admin, go to the upper part on the left corner with the word DocR. Press the DocR word. It will go directly to the login form. This is our login form. Since our system has two user level, the admin and the sub-admin, you can log in using that. For the admin, type in, for the username, type in admin, and the password as admin also. So username is admin and password is admin. Press login to continue. A successful login will direct you to the admin dashboard. From the admin dashboard, you can view the 6 panels. The 6 panels consist of the 43 sub-admin, the registered dogs, the registered cats, pet owner, vaccinated dogs, vaccinated cats, with 2 charts. We have the donut chart and the line chart. The donut chart represents the registered dogs and cats, while the line chart represents all the vaccinated pets by barangay. If you want to view all the pets' records, you can click on the pets on the sidebar menu. These are all the pets or dogs and cats being registered by all the sub-admins. You can search a particular pet. For example, I will choose a pet from Pakak. I will choose dog, and all the list of dogs will be viewed. Clicking on the vaccination, you can view all the vaccination record of that particular pet, when it was registered, who registered it, or what type of vaccination that the pet has received. Clicking on the description, the admin can view all the pet information as well as the pet owner information. We can also press the print to print a copy of the information of the pet and the pet owner. And this is the copy, printed copy of the pet and the pet owner. The admin can also view the pet owner. This is the pet owner, wherein all the records of the pet owners has been listed in all the barangays in the municipality of Tagudin. So since our system has one pet owner has many pets, you can click on one pet owner and you can see how many pets it is registered under his name. Now we will choose clicking on the view button will show all the pets registered under the pet owner. And we can also ask a copy of it by using the print button. This is the printed copy of the pet owner, where all the pets registered under his name has been listed. In our system, the admin's responsibility is to view the pets, all the pets' records, the pet owner's record, and all the vaccination that the pet has received. If you click on the vaccinated, the admin can view all the vaccinated, all the pets that receive vaccination in all the municipality of Tagudin. Clicking on the vaccinated shows all the pets that received the vaccination. These are all the pets that received the vaccination. In the announcement section, here in the announcement, the admin can add and can post announcement. This announcement appeared in the announcement section in the home page. I will try to add new one. Title, System Implementation. System Implementation in the municipality of Tagudin. From we can choose when, for example, today until the end of the month. Press submit button. This announcement will appear in the home page of the system. If you want to delete an announcement, click on the delete button, and if you want to edit, click on the edit button. Clicking on the barangay, all the pets in every barangay will show here. It is like similar to the pet button, just that it is grouped by barangay. Next is the barangay. All the pets in every barangay will show here. It is like similar to the pet button, just that it is grouped by barangay. So if you click on the Ambalayat, all the registered pets in Ambalayat will appear. all the registered pets in Ambalayat will appear. Likewise in Barakbak. Just like in Barakbak, all the registered pets in Barakbak will show here. In the messages and complaints, the messages received by the admin from the visitor in the contact section in the home page will appear here. Next is the sub-admin. All the sub-admin will show here. You can add a new sub-admin by pressing on the add button and edit the information of that particular sub-admin. This is the edit page for the sub-admin, wherein the admin has the privilege to change the password of that particular sub-admin. I can change the password. I can set the new password 234, and then I can confirm it to 234. Click on the sub-admin again. Clicking on the add button to add new sub-admin. And this is the add form in adding a new sub-admin. Now we will go to the reports. In the reports, it has the registered and the vaccinated reports. If we click on the registered, it will show all the barangays with the registered dogs, registered cats, alive and dead pets. The admin can print a copy of it by clicking on CSV, Excel, or PDF. I will use the Excel. You can download it, press download, save, open when done. And this is the Excel format of the report. Let's go back. We will go to the vaccinated. Here in the vaccinated, it contained the table of vaccinated dogs and vaccinated cats in all the barangays in the municipality of Tagudin. The admin can also print a copy of it by pressing CSV, Excel, and PDF. Next, the admin user management. In the admin user management, the admin can change its profile name. Here, you can change the first name, the last name, the gender of the admin, date of birth, the contact number, and the image of the admin, and can even change the password of the admin. Due to some security reason, the admin should type in the old password in order to have a new password. For example, I will type in the old password. I will type in a new password, I should say. But I will put the wrong password. Since I've typed in the wrong password, an error has appeared. Next, we will go to the sub-admin.
Managing the pets and pet owners' information record starts with the sub-admin. To continue using the sub-admin account, for the username, type in any barangays in the municipality of Tagudin. Earlier, my groupmate Mariel Ann changed one of the passwords of sub-admin, which is this Ambalayat. She changed it to 234. And then, click login. Upon logging in, the sub-admin dashboard will appear. The sidebar shows the menu where the sub-admin can navigate. In the upper right corner is where the sub-admin can manage his/her own account. He or she can change its username and password as well. Dashboard shows 5 widgets: the registered dogs and cats, the pet owner, the vaccinated dogs, and vaccinated cats. Since one pet owner has many pets, we will start by adding a new pet owner. To add new pet owner, go to Pet Owner tab. To add a new pet owner, click the Add button. And then fill up the information needed. Okay, start. After filling up the information needed, click the Submit button. Once you save the pet owner's information, click the Pets tab to add pet. To add pet, click the Add button. After clicking the Add button, you will directly go to a form for adding pets. To make sure to add the pet to its owner, you can search the name of the owner and click the name. Earlier, we add Juan de la Cruz. Now we will add a pet. After you choose the pet owner, you can now input cat. To make sure to add the pet to its owner, you can search the name of the owner and click the name. Earlier, we add Juan de la Cruz. Now we will add a pet to Juan. You can now enter the pet's information, then click Save. After you finish filling up the pet's information, click the Submit button. After saving the pet's data, you will directly go to the pets table. Pets table contains the information of the pets with their specific tag number. And under the action, there are edit button. After saving the pets data, you will directly go to the pets table. Pets table contains the information of the pet with their specific tag number. And under the records, there are two buttons, the vaccination and the description. The vaccination button is where you can see the vaccines taken by the pet, and description button is the full information of the pet. Under the description button is where you can see the full information of the pet. To add vaccination to a pet, click the Vaccinated tab and click Add button. After clicking the Add button, first enter the tag number of the pet. Now, enter the vaccine's information. After clicking the Submit button, you will directly go to the vaccine table. The table contains the information of the pet and the vaccine's information. After clicking the Submit button, you will directly go to the vaccine table. The table contains the information of the pet and the vaccine's information, and when the vaccine taken by the pet. Under the action is the Edit button used to edit a specific data. Under the Reports tab, there is two sub-buttons, the Registered buttons and Vaccinated buttons. Under the Registered buttons is the Registered table. The table shows the registered dogs and cats and dead dogs and cats. If the sub-admin wants to store a data on his or her computer, he or she can click the button above the table, the CSV, the Excel, and PDF. Under the Vaccinated tab is the Vaccinated table. The Vaccinated tabs contains the Vaccinated table. The table shows the vaccinated dogs and cats.